Hello, I'm Kim Heimovik, reporting from the MASSIVIT and the Sika booth at ForumNext 2025. Today we are talking about the MASSIVIT 10,000 printer, which is able to print molds, masters, jigs and fixtures extremely fast. So we're talking about molds and masters for composite parts and also for thermoforming applications. Today in particular, we have applications for aerospace and defense. I will show you around. Here, this is an automotive mold for cutting carbon parts for automotive carbon parts. It is made from a polyurethane casting material, which is based on Sika materials. I'll show you over here. We have some aerospace and defense parts. So this is a mold that was printed and finished in just 5 days. It can be lightly machined. It's an isotropic mold made of thermosets based on Sika materials. And this is one half of the mold, which makes the nose of the UAV over here. So this is a composite nose for a UAV. We can make composite parts for aerospace and defense, and also we can do tooling for thermoforming applications.